tutorial I will show how to switch on the Autotune function. It is best to start tuning at ambient temperature. This allows the tuner to calculate more accurately. To set the Autotune function, you will need to enter level 3. To do this, press and hold the page key until you see level 3. Once code 0 appears, enter number 3. Press the page key in and out and advance to CTRL. Press the scroll key a few times until A.tune appears. Use the arrow key and select on. The Autotune function has now been switched on. Press the page and the scroll keys together to return back to your normal screen, and you will now see tune appear in the screen. The tuning will be active for a period of anything between 0 to 2 hours, depending on the application. So now you have your instrument in the tuning function, which is now active.
For more information and instructional videos, please visit Eurotherm.com. Thanks for watching.